To everyone who works in real estate, this video is for you. So don't go anywhere. Watch this video till the end. You've probably heard it all from everyone that it's just sales. You guys make too much commission. What's so hard in real estate anyways? But only the ones who are inside the room, inside the sites and on the streets, they know the truth. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You with Sonia on Thinking Thursdays. And because I've spent more than 2 decades in real estate, handling sales, marketing, CRM, pre-sales, post-sales. So I completely understand when you hear these statements from other people that you're just in sales, you're making so much of commission. What's the big deal? Well, I understand because there's a lot of hard work that is going behind. So stay tuned with me right till the end as I'm going to be sharing a lot about what exactly are we talking about. So grab your cups of coffee and let's dive in right away. See, real estate is not just about buildings. It's about belief. Convincing a total stranger to invest their life savings just on a promise. It's about cold calls that go unanswered. It's about site visits that were fixed but suddenly they get cancelled or postponed. Buyers who often change their mind after almost 6 months of nurturing. There's a lot of target pressure that does not care if you've got a child who's sick at home. And yes, Sundays that don't feel like Sundays at all because that's the time when most of the customers are coming for a site visit. So you're actually working most of the Sundays. You're the first one in and the last one out of your office. Why? Because the show must go on. The funnel must stay full. Because in real estate, time is money, but trust is everything. Many people, they don't see the anxiety behind the smile. The 9 p.m. calls to the brokers or the channel partners. The CRM updates after dinner. The fights at home because you couldn't make it to your kid's performance again. Many times, most of the salespeople, they celebrate their deals alone in cabs. Maybe you've cried after losing a client to another project and nobody actually sees that face of yours. You've sat through reviews where the only thing that was discussed was why are the walk-ins so low? Why we are not able to close? But you know what? The show must go on anyways. With energy, with optimism, with positivity, with the same pitch, hoping that today will be actually a very different day. If you're into sales and you're selling real estate, then let me remind you what you really do. You don't just sell property, you give people their first home. You give a couple to start their future together. You give an investor a long-term security. And above all, you make the builder's vision come alive by making one booking at a time. Remember those times when a family was taking the keys, handing over from you, and the family who had tears in their eye or they were very happy that they finally got the keys of their house and they're going to start living in that space, experiencing all what you had promised to them. So when you see that joy in their eyes, when you see that sparkle in their eyes, when you're handing over those keys, that's because of you, because you did the sale to them. That NRI who trusted you, who's actually sitting 7,000 miles away, that's because of you. Because you convinced him. The channel partners who are the backbone of real estate sales. Now that channel partner, when he vouches for your every word, that's because of you, your rapport, your relationship with that channel partner. Every site visit, every brochure, every tower crane, every marketing effort, none of it moves without people like you. The salespeople. Most often we talk about engineers, architects, we talk about builders, we talk about investors, we talk about channel partners, we talk about, all the other aspects of real estate, the site visits, the model apartment, everything we talk about. But we often forget about the bridge between the dream and the decision. And you know what it is? It's the sales team, the CRM team, the pre-sales warriors, the marketing soldiers, the channel partner managers, and the handing over heroes. Let me tell you, you're not just pushing products, you're actually holding up the entire ecosystem with your persistence. You must be wondering, why am I making this video and why am I saying all these things? Because not often you hear people thanking you for all your efforts that you're putting in, for all the hard work that you're putting in. So today, I wanted to say something that we don't often hear enough of it in our business of real estate. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for pushing through. Thank you for making the dreams real. If you're watching this and thinking, does this effort even matter? Am I doing enough? Will anyone ever notice me? Then the answer is, of course, yes. People will notice you. People will acknowledge that what you're doing is more than enough. And your contributions and your efforts, they certainly matter. And do remember that one day, all this hustle will be the reason for someone else's life that is changed for better because of you. So please take pride in your late nights, take pride in your patience, take pride in your follow-ups. And even to the extent the target was missed out, you lost a particular client. I know it's very disappointing, but you gave your best shot. Ask yourself, did I give it my best shot? Did I try everything to stop that client? Or did I do everything that the client could have bought the property here? So if still the client chose to walk away, then things are not in your control. You cannot have every client buying into your property. So please stop battering yourself and take pride in what you're doing, because you're not just in the business of real estate, you're in the business of belief. And let me tell you, to get somebody to trust you, to get somebody to follow what you're offering them as a property, to get somebody to actually buy something that you are recommending where the person doesn't know you, it takes a lot of conviction, it takes a lot of trust, and there's a lot of responsibility that you salespeople are carrying on your shoulders. So if no one's ever said it to you yet, I'm saying it to you now. You are seen, you are valued, and you are very, very essential. So to every person working in real estate, this video is your mirror. May it remind you of your purpose. Let's build not just buildings, but dignity, trust, and pride in what we do. I know this was a very short video that I made, but I somehow felt, this is required because most of us, when we're into sales, we don't often get to hear those nice, encouraging words that we actually need to hear. So this is to all of you. And if this message, if this video has actually moved you, share it with someone in your team who needs to hear it today. And tell me what makes you proud to work in real estate. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a great day, everyone. And thank you once again.